A quick review on the Recoil Audio RCK0D, which is the CCA dual amp wire kit. It comes with the two sets, 4-channel worth of RCA, 12 gauge speaker wire, the full ANL. I love this fuse holder. I wish they would import it on its own, but it's got full ANL, and then if you look below, it's got mini ANL. In case you don't have that standard, I think that's a really cool feature to have. It comes with a standard 200 amp fuse, and of course it's oversized CCA. Oh no, it comes with 6-channel. Shit, I'm down. So 6-channel RCA, basically everything you need. This is a really popular kit, all the little goodies, and 2 distribution blocks. So 0 gauge goes from front to back, and then from there it has 0 gauge input and then 2 4 gauge outputs, and then this is for at least 1 amp, if not 2 amps, depending on how closely you have them together. Now, this is only $65 from me. I think on Amazon, I'll put the link to Amazon. It's $69, $70 on Amazon. This is actually really, really popular. I just haven't advertised it in a while because they've been out, and we just got a shipment in the other day when I was helping them unload. So I wanted to bring that to your attention and invite you to take advantage of it because it is really super affordable. I think the only other wire kit that competes with this is the Boss, and you guys don't like Boss. And in this case, if I'm going to spend money, I'm going to spend it on this, not on Boss. So I think that was it. RCK0D, the premium version. The this is from Grady. So Grady 3D printed this for me too, which was nice. This is all one print, by the way. So it prints it, and then you got to break these loose, and then it's all loose. It's cool. And then a large penis. So by the way, the tip of the penis really resembles the cervix. So, like I said, I have external ovaries, and they're aching right now. But I wanted to show you this kit. The premium kit is the PCK0D. That's the OFC kit, all copper. So again, for most people, this CCA, this run, I think it's also 20 feet, and it's good up to about 300 amps. So you only need to, you only have to worry about wire ampacity when your alternator is over 300 amps, right? So if your alternator setup, whether it's 1, 2, or 3 alternators, if it's all combined greater than 300 amps, then you need copper. But for the rest of us, you don't need copper, and CCA works fine, okay? Because again, if you're going that big, you probably have a battery pack in the rear, and so again, your alternator is the charging wire, and you're not going to draw any more than 300 amps from your charging system. Get it? So the real energy is stored in the battery in the back, whether that's AGM, wet cell, or lithium, and that's where, again, you don't even need copper there because the wires are so short. So, okay, does that help you understand? Love you guys. Talk to you later.